Hello everybody, this is your Core Bites number 36 for math, so please make sure you make corrections on your paper using Canny, or however you're getting it done, guys. So number 1, Morgan bought 10 large cookies and 4 dozen small cookies. How many cookies did Morgan buy in all? Alright, so 4 dozen. A dozen would be 12. So if she has 4 dozen, you would have to take 12 times 4 to figure out how many small cookies she has. So 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 1 is 4. So she has 48 small cookies. And then she already has 10 large cookies. So you're just going to take 48 and 10, add all those cookies together. 8 plus 0 is 8. 4 plus 1 is 5. So she has a total of 58 cookies. For number 2, it's a little bit of a tricky equation. It says if 125 divided by 25 is 5, then 5 times what gives you 125? Well, it's the opposite because the opposite of division is multiplication. The opposite of multiplication is division. So you've got the same numbers, so you're missing the same one here. So 125 divided into 25 groups gives you 5. And we know 5 times 25 would give you back that 125. So the answer is 25. For number 3, you are missing a number that will make these fractions equivalent, which means they're equal. So if we have 4 quarters, 4 times 25, that would give us $1 or 100 pennies, right? So 20 times what gives you 100? It's going to have to be a number bigger than 4 because 4 times, right? 4 times 25 is 100. So 20 times something is going to give you 100. So this is smaller, right? So the answer is going to be 5 because 20 times 5, 5 times 0 is 0, 5 times 2 is 10, gives you that 100. So the answer is 5. Number 4, which of these units is largest? So you've got grams, milligrams, and kilograms. So grams are the smallest, then milligrams, then kilograms. So kilograms is the largest. And then for number 5, it says, is the dotted line a line of symmetry? So here you have some scissors, and the line is right here. If you were able to actually fold those scissors in half, that would not be equal on both sides. So, no, that is not a line of symmetry. So, guys, please let us know if you have any questions, and good luck with more Core Bites.